everyone! Today we'll be learning how to connect the MacBook with the iPad while still being able to draw on the iPad. So basically what you can achieve with this is that, for example, if you were working on an animation on the MacBook, but you wanted to be able to draw, then you could basically move the tab from the MacBook onto the iPad so that you can still use the pencil and draw on the animation, but you can still use your mouse to do some, for example, selecting work and all of that. So let's get to it. So first we have to make sure for this to work is that you're using the same Apple ID on your MacBook and on your iPad. So you have to make sure that that's true, or else you won't be able to connect it. You also have to make sure it's on the same Wi-Fi, and then you're going to open up your settings. You're going to go into displays over here, and then you're going to see add display right here. You're going to click on that, and down here you're going to see Jasmine's iPad. That's my iPad. I'm going to click on it, and then when you open, you're going to be able to see that it has been displayed. So let's open up a tab. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. So now let's open up a tab on the MacBook, and then we're going to take it and drag it over. And as you can see, it's coming onto the iPad display. And now it's here. You can open up full screen, you can take your pencil, and then you can actually draw. On the iPad, and it will still show up, which is amazing, and that completely solves our problem. You can also do a lot more things with it. You can use, I don't know, drawing apps. You might want to write notes or anything like that. It'll all be great to use this. So hope that was helpful, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Though unfortunately, you can't seem to use your fingers to move anything on the iPad. But if you have a pen, this isn't even an Apple Pencil, then it works perfectly.